Welcome to Lex by Category Los Angeles, where your college life syncs perfectly with that classic LA buzz. Think of it as your backstage pass to comfort, style, and convenience. Take your pick from 5-bedroom, 2-bedroom, or 1-bedroom apartments, or go for a non-ensuite if you're keeping it simple. Each room is designed for ease with a comfy bed, a study-ready chair, dryer, AC to cool off, and a heater to keep you cozy. Step outside your room and into a lifestyle. Grill under the stars on the rooftop BBQ deck, swap stories by the fire pit, or relax in the open courtyard. Got a furry roommate? Good news, Lex is pet friendly. Plus, the property rules make sure everyone's on the same page. Situated at 5817 Lexington Avenue, you'll be minutes away from Emerson College Los Angeles Center and American Film Institute Conservatory. Craving a bite? Head to Marino Restaurant, Osteria Mamma, or La Pupusa Loca, all a quick stroll away. With 101 Highway and Western Avenue, Eastbound, Narbars, Lexington just minutes away, and Hollywood, Hwy Western subway station close by, getting around is a breeze. Book your stay at Lex by Category Los Angeles, now via amberstudent.com.